Hi guys, welcome or welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, as you know, my name is Preeti and today is my day 5 of speaking English challenge for 21 days. So guys, in this video I would like to talk about when we start our English journey. So that time we don't have enough vocabulary. So that is why we need to first learn some vocabulary, then we can speak, because if we don't have enough vocabulary, so how can we make a little and short sentence? So that is why I think we should learn vocabulary, and later then if you know some vocabularies, or later then you feel you have enough knowledge about any vocabulary, so you can speak a short sentence in a your daily basis. So guys, if you want to learn new vocabulary in a daily basis, so personally I want to talk about myself when I start my English journey. So that time what I used to do for learn some vocabularies. So guys, if I talk about my own journey, so initial stage what I used to do, whenever I come across some new word, so that time I write down on my diary. So if I want to revise this again to again, so later then I forget to these all word. So that is why I thought this technique is not going to help me. I should change, and I should change my technique for learn new vocabulary. So that time what I used to do, just write down on my diary and all word meaning only in my diary, and I could not remember this word for speaking part. So that is why guys, later than couple of months later I changed my technique of learn vocabulary. I just, whenever I come across some new word, so I just try to inculcate those all word in my speaking parts. Like whenever I try to speak something, so I just try to inculcate those all word meaning in my uh, speaking parts, because earlier which I used to do, that technique is not helped me. So that is why I changed, and later then I feel I am learning something new in a daily basis. So that is why guys, I uh, learn those all vocabulary in a daily basis, because of I didn't write down on my diary. I just try to remember again to again and try to inculcate in my daily basis, and try to understand where I should use this and how should I remember this for longer. So that is why guys, I want to say, if you struggling for learn some vocabulary in a daily basis, so personal I want to recommend you, if you are a beginner, so you can also write down on your diary. That is not bad habit, this is a good, because if we write down something in our notebook, so that is good thing. But personally which I use to do and still I do, so this techniques is helped me a lot. So that is why guys, still whenever I come across some new word, I just try to make sentence about this particular word and try to inculcate in my basic part, and later then I remember this word again to again and try to inculcate in my basic part. Like whenever I speak front of you, like right now I am making my video, though I am not able to inculcate some fancy word in my English when I speak front of my camera and front of other, but gradually I am trying. So I think later then I will, when I will be fluent and I will become more confident in this language. So that time maybe I use all fancy word in my English. So that is why guys, if you are struggling for learn some new vocabulary, so this technique is going to help you, because personally I do this. So whenever I come across some new word, I just try to make sentence about this topic. And when I watch some videos on YouTube, it could be any podcast and it could be any conversation video, it could be anywhere. So I just try to make sentence about this particular word and try to be remind for longer in my mind, because if I just write down on my diary, my notebook, so it is not help for me for longer, because I just write down on my diary and my I'm not revise these all word again to again, so that is not going to help me. So guys, if you want to learn some new vocabulary, so do these things. I must say this thing is going to help you somewhere. So guys, that is all for today because I want to share this technique with you. So guys, this is all about my English journey because I want to make video about any particular and random topic in a day. Like I have to complete this 21 days challenge. So guys, I think this video is going to help you because whenever I come with a new topic, so I try to choose a topic where some other learner can relate with me and they can learn also. So guys, I think that's all for today and I'll come with a new topic, and till then, bye.